Okay, here's my demo for the clear sky charts and light pollution maps. So just type in clear sky charts Alberta. Click on here. And so you can go to any place here. Here's like the big sky observatory there, Black Diamond, blah, blah, blah. Or you can go to the map. And the map shows different colors for the darkness. There, for example, is 1-4. There is Writing on Stone Provincial Park. Here is Big Sky Observatory. So let's go here for an example. And then you can get all kinds of stuff like the road map and let's see, get satellite view. This is just moved into Google Maps. You can see there's the observatory, the Twin Valley Campground. Let's see what else. Topo map if you want. Might be helpful in some cases. Here's like sky charts for some people that might need them. Play around with them. And Aurora map if you're ever looking for the Aurora. Other crap. But this is for for astrophotography basically. You can read about it down here. And you're looking for dark blues, they're the best. Anyway, so for this, here's a light pollution map. And you'll notice that crosshair is at the big sky place. And there's Calgary over there. And if you click on any spot here, like I think right there, for example, and it'll show you the lat long up here. And any place you click, back. Let's go to light pollution map again. There's other options there. Now here you can just show all in Google Maps. It didn't work for me, but you can go for Google Earth image overlay. And then you can save it as a KLM file or just open it directly. So I'll open it right in Google Earth. So here you go. And so over here on the left, you'll see under temporary places, it says Big Sky Observatory. You can turn that off and on by clicking on it. And then you can slide it up over here. You can see that I've already put a whole bunch of other ones in. So I will just delete that one that I just put in because I already have it right here where Big Sky Observatory, Windham, Carsland, Chain Lakes. They're all different tiles in different positions. 1-4. Here's Finnegan. Anyways, I'll go to the Big Sky Observatory. That covers most of it. 1-4, Finnegan. Let's bring it more. Okay, and then you can say you want to drive around Finnegan, check the roads over here. So anyways, I'll go back a bit. So I think 1-4 is a little more of a better dark zone, like right that black. And then this gray, it's probably number 2, so it's pretty, I think this Big Sky Observatory is probably number 3 level. But to save a lot of driving time, Finnegan's not that far away. And if you grab this little guy over here, you have to zoom in a little bit before that shows up. And then you can just slide it over here, and it'll only work on the blue roads that show up. Okay, it's not even showing up there. Whoa. I'm going to have to go back. What happened? Let's try that again. I don't know why it's not showing up there. That's kind of stupid. Stop. Let's try this again, just a sec. And it's ground level. Up to north. Zoom out. Anyways, well, you can see where Finnegan is. You could zoom in like this. But anyways, where's Hannah? I think that's Hannah right there, yep. So if you drive south of Hannah, you'll see, well, anyways, if you go up from Strathmore, Chestermere, up by, you follow that road to get to Finnegan. Finnegan, if you Google it, is where this, there's a ferry here, across the Red Deer River. It's closed, I think, at night, maybe in the winter too. But it's where they filmed that video with Tom Cochran, Life is a Highway. Part of it was filmed on the ferry there. But then, okay, so you can go over to Google Maps. And that should work. Where is Finnegan? Finnegan. There's Drumheller, Rockford. Oops. Strathmore. There's Finnegan. There we go. So on this thing, you can drag the little guy over here, and you'll get a picture of what the roads look like. And you can twirl around, go up and down. It's a 3D sort of picture. And you could expand this thing down here. You can move this up and down. You can zoom that out and more. You can kind of click on there to go down the road if you want. Or you can click up here and it'll just go down the road. And just touch it like that. Fix that. Satellite view. So that's basically it. Another thing about this tile here, if you choose a bunch of tiles that overlay it, kind of gets darker, so you only want to have maybe one. I can turn blue, that one off, go to 1:4 tile, Chain Lakes tile, back to the big sky, and then if you click on there and go to properties, you can actually change the opaqueness or transparency. And so that is about it for that. And here you are back at the big sky, back here. X that out. And that's about it for the demo. So I'm going to turn it off. Thank you.